made it. I am just miles away from the SpaceX facility at Starbase, and today is hopefully the 7th flight of the Starship. There's a lot to unpack today. I'm here in person. I've seen every single Starship rocket launch so far. I've seen it fail. I've seen it recover the booster. I've seen everything, and it's always the most exciting part. So I will be taking you guys on that journey with me today. Stay tuned. There's a lot to unpack. Not many people around this time, and that is because this launch is on a weekday. It's on a Thursday at 4 p.m. A lot of the people that I know that usually come to see launches are not here today just because they're at work or they're somewhere else. This launch has been delaying for the past week. The launch was initially supposed to be Friday, and then it moved to Saturday, and then it moved to Monday, and then Wednesday, and now it's Thursday. So 4 or 5 delay. That's why we're not seeing much traffic. It's the first time I've seen empty roads leading to the viewing point. This launch should be a good one. It's a completely new version of the Starship. This one weighs 1,500 tons. The old one weighed 1,200 tons. And there's a lot of updates that I'll be going over in this video. So how is this launch any different, you may ask? This is actually the second version of the Starship V2, and there are a ton of improvements that have been made from bottom to the nose cone. We're talking revamping of the launch pad. We're talking a different weight because now it holds 25% more propellant. It's going to launch, this specific launch is going to launch 10 simulations of those 10 Starlink satellites just to test how the mechanism of the cargo doors is when it's in zero gravity. It's also trying out some new heat shields and a new heat sheet cooling system that's never been done before. They'll be trying it out on this launch. Not only that, but they will also try to burn when they're up in orbit. That not a show. There are thousands of people that I'm surrounded by. Many of those people that are actually employees at SpaceX and actually work on that same rocket right behind me. And so it's crazy to see everyone super excited, everyone's cheering, and this is what they served us with. Totally amazing. So the Starship is still continuing to go up there. It will make a soft landing in the Indian Ocean, but we have the booster right behind me, and that is insane. So they will be following the procedures. The job is still not done. There's still a lot of steps that have to be taken to ensure that the full recovery of soft touch landing, everything takes place perfectly. The deployment of the satellites and their experiments with the heat shield will still continue to go on even after it makes their way down the rocket. So I'm just heading back from the launch, and I was watching the live stream on the way back to the car, and yes, we did have a full show of excitement, but unfortunately the Starship did explode and literally turn into debris on its way back down. That is not what they wanted in terms of collecting crucial, valuable data, but that was supposed to happen, and it happened, but we still got to see the booster land. It was still pretty insane. But it's unfortunate that the Starship did not go through the way they wanted it to.